Okay, we're almost done. All right, so we explained this whole beastie looking thing right here. Right? Now let's go ahead and test to see if the person is a winner. And this one is also, as you can see, I try to make it look pretty, right? And I had to do a try accept or try catch statement because I had to try to enter, I think, the player name. Yeah. So the only thing I'm testing to see, or the only reason why I put the player name in here is to say, congratulations, player one or player two, you are the winner. That's the only thing. And then it closes the keyboard out, and then you exit the whole system. I didn't even want to redo the whole game. But I'm pretty much just checking to see once the player has entered his X or his O. I'm checking to see if the rows, either of the rows are all the same. So I'm checking here. So if the board game, and these are not integers, or else I would put an equal sign to each and every one of these, but these are strings. So that I had to use a dot equal sign on this one. So I'm pretty much testing all the rows to see if they're the same. So if row 1 in column 1 is the same as row 1 column 2, and if row 1 column 1 is the same as row 1 column 2, then you win, right? So because it tells you, hey, we have something that's all the same. He must have made a move to have done that. So congratulations, player, whoever player it is, you have won this game. And it's pretty much testing every single one of them. So there's 3 rows, boom, 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 and then I'm testing the crisscross. So if the top left corner equals the middle, and then equals the bottom right corner that crosses, then hey, he must have done something that would made them all the same. Tic Tac Toe, 3 in a row, and then this is the columns. This one's testing if this column 1, row 1, and then row 2, column 1, and then row 3, column 1. If those are all the same, like right here, they're all the same, then Tic Tac Toe, right? And if this one right here is going to be all the same, Tic Tac Toe. And then if this one is here, Tic Tac Toe. Like again, crisscross. If one of these are crisscrossed, Tic Tac Toe. The rows, boom, 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 of these are all the same, Tic Tac Toe. Right? And then it tells you, spits it out, whatever. Congratulations, and you're all awesome. And so we're going to try doing this. If this just doesn't work, then let's catch and just say, print line. And it's pretty much going to be like, all right, we're going to count, break out of this while loop, go back up here. And this is where we start switching the player. All right, player 2, choose a location on the board. And that's where we put 9. And then 9 is replaced by an X. And then pretty much going over here is testing whether it's true. And then, okay, there's all these columns. There's no winner yet. So let's go ahead and count plus plus. And the reason why I do the count plus plus is because we're only limiting it to 9 because there's only 9 squares. And the only way it's going to count is whether it meets all these conditions. It breaks out of this loop, and then boom. But what happens if it's a draw? Well, when it will break out of this whole while loop, like this whole thing, and then it's going to print out draw. And let's do that one here. So let's go ahead and pick 3 as an X. Let's block that one by 6, right? And then let's see. Let's pick 1, and let's pick 7. So we block that person. And then let's pick 8 for 0. Hopefully it doesn't Tic Tac Toe. Oh, invalid entry, right? So we have to pick O or 8. And then we're going to pick, the next move is X. So let's put 2. And then O is 4. So it's a draw, right? So it breaks out of this whole loop. And it just exits the whole game. So maybe I should have put the whole exit, whatever. and close out of the keyboard. I don't know, it's whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much how I did it. I know there's a lot of steps here, and you really have to kind of I kind of Googled a few things here and there, and really, just the whole thought process. So just trying to figure out, okay, if what are we testing for? Okay, what do we really need? How do we switch players? How do we choose the piece? How do we test how to replace it? All those questions, worth a Google if you haven't seen the Lego Batman. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully it gets to you guys in time before class. And stay calm and code, right? No? Okay. I'll see you guys this morning.